I would be afraid to ask her about the presence of gravity on Earth. She may decline to answer because it may come up in a case. It could come before the court someday.
My name is Laura Wolk, and I am a former student and mentee of Judge Amy Coney Barrett. In part because of her unwavering support, I am the first blind woman to serve as a law clerk on the Supreme Court of the United States. Her brilliance is matched only by her compassion, and her integrity is unassailable. I have experienced these characteristics firsthand with life-changing results. Because I am completely blind, I rely heavily on assistive technology to compete on a level playing field with my sighted peers. But Judge Barrett did something altogether different. She silently listened with deep attention as I explained my situation, giving me the freedom to let down my guard and come apart. When I finished, Judge Barrett leaned forward and looked at me intently. "Laura," she said, with the same measured conviction that we have seen displayed throughout her entire nomination process, "this is no longer your problem, it's my problem."
Refused to answer anything. Consider that. Here we are in a situation where we ask Senator Feinstein, ask the nominee, can a president unilaterally delay a presidential election? She couldn't answer. Too political. Too political. 3 express provisions in the Constitution that spell out that is the standard for the United States of America. She could certainly have alluded to that. I asked her as a follow-up, can a president unilaterally deny a woman the right to vote? 19th Amendment. Sorry, can't answer it. Could be case come before me someday. It even reached the point where Senator Kennedy asked this learned attorney, professor, and jurist if she had any opinion on the issue of climate change. And basically she said, never thought about it. Don't have any views. What are we dealing with here? We're not dealing with the reality of who this person is and what she believes, but some kind of artifice that we have constructed between the nominee and our questions.
Later at 16, while in a relationship that brought me joy and made me feel safe, I, like 2.7 million Americans a year, had an unintended pregnancy. Immediately, I knew I wanted an abortion, a very safe medical procedure that 1 in 4 U.S. women will have in their lifetimes. President Trump has been clear that he would only appoint justices who would overturn Roe v. Wade. Unfortunately, through learning about Judge Barrett's record, I understand why the president believes she passes the test. Please listen to people who have had abortions. Hear us when we ask you, do not confirm this nominee. Our futures, our families, our lives depend on it. We too are America.
She's incredibly honest and forthright. She's exactly who you think she is. Nothing about her is fake. She is good, decent, selfless, and sincere. She is an exemplar of living an integrated life in which her intellect, integrity, and compassion weave the different threads of her life together seamlessly.
So the hearing regarding Judge Amy Barrett to become Associate Justice of the Supreme Court is now over. The markup will be October the 22nd. To all who got us here, thank you very much.